Welcome back, students. Let's summarize whatever we have studied in the lesson Universe. The Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system consists of. It is also called as Mandakini. You can see a white band during night times. That is the Milky Way. As like Milky Way, there are so many different galaxies which are present in the universe. This universe consists of different stars, different planets, their satellites, comets, asteroids, meteors and meteorites. Out of that, Sun is also one of the stars. Around Sun, there are 8 different planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They also consist of their moons. There are inner planets as well as outer planets. The planets which have ring around themselves are called as outer planets, whereas the 4 different planets which are present for the first sequence, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these have the hard crust, that is why they are called as the inner planet. Like different planets, there are different types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, bed spiral and irregular. Also, there are some types of stars too: sun-like star, red giant, supernova, binary or twin star and variable stars. Let us now study some more concepts from this lesson. Satellite. Moon is the satellite of the earth. Because of satellite, the earth becomes stable and the rotation and revolution goes in a proper way around the sun. The celestial bodies that revolve around a planet without independently revolving around the sun are called satellite. Like planets, satellites rotate around their respective axes. The moon is the satellite of Earth. It does not have any atmosphere. Its period of rotation and revolution are both of 27.3 days. Except of Mercury and Venus, all other planets have satellites but in varying number. Like Earth has one satellite, that is Moon, think about the planet Uranus, which has 27 satellites. And what about Jupiter, which have 64 different satellites? Yes, only Mercury and Venus do not have any satellites, and all the remaining planets have their satellites. Asteroids. Asteroids are the stone-like objects. They are the celestial bodies which are present in the solar system. A belt of such celestial bodies has formed between planets Mars and Jupiter. They are sometimes small in size, also sometimes large in size. Dwarf planet. Pluto is said to be a dwarf planet. It is very much small as compared to other planets. The size of Pluto is smaller than that of the satellites, that is the moon. And that is why it is considered to be a dwarf planet. Comet. A comet is a celestial body that revolves around the sun. Comets are formed out of ice and dust particles. They are part of solar system. Comets are made up of frozen matter and dust particles. Since they travel with a very high speed, sometimes they appear to have a long feathery tail. Due to it has ice and dust particles into the body of itself, and when it travels faster, the ice particles go behind, they move backwards, and finally a feathery tail appears to it. A meteor. At times we see a falling star. That is called as meteor. Meteors are rocky pieces originated from the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is the belt which is present between the two planets Mars and Jupiter. There are stone-like objects between the two planets Mars and Jupiter. So these stone-like objects sometimes fall on the surface of any kind of any planet. It may be sometimes Earth or it may be sometimes other planet too. Sometimes it can be a satellite also. When it falls on the surface of the any planet or any satellite, the name of it is said to be as meteorite. Whereas when it moves into the space, when it moves into the solar system, it is said to be as a meteor. The picture of a lake-like surface which is on the textbook page number 117, is caused due to the meteorite falling on the surface of the earth. Here we finish up with the lesson, the universe. Thank you.